Hi guys, I'm Yusuf Kachwala and I am an engineer at AppCD. We are excited to be launching AppCD publicly, and as a part of that launch, I'm going to show you the features of AppCD that are available to you for tryout and our playground. Our playground has been created for you to get a hands-on experience of AppCD's capabilities and try some of its features without you using your actual code, right? So I'll share my screen. I'll show it to you how do we get to the playground. So you go to the appcd.com website and you click on Get Started. Continue to the playground. And there are a bunch of logins available. You can log in with GitHub, GitLab, and Google. Let's go ahead with GitHub, provide access, and voila, you are into the AppCD playground. Here you see what you see on your screen are a bunch of app stacks. An app stack is a collection of services that make up your application along with all the cloud resources that your application accesses. AppCD understands these services by scanning your application code, right? So let's go into an app stack and see what it looks like. So this is a visual representation on your screen of what an app stack looks like. So there is an AWS ECS along with an IAM role, which constitutes your service. And there are a bunch of AWS resources on your screen. So there are AWS S3 bucket, AWS SNS, AWS SQS, DynamoDB, and Athena, right? Also, what is available for you on the left-hand side panel, if you look at, is a bunch of resources that you can use and you can add it in the topology. So this view on the screen is what we call it as a topology. We can drag and drop another resource and then connect it to the application, or we can connect two different resources which depend on each other. So we can connect an AWS Athena, an AWS S3 bucket, AWS Athena database depends on the S3 bucket, right? Now, what we can do is here, we have the ability to export the IAC, the Terraform that is generated for here, right? So when we export this IAC, there are a bunch of security best practices that will be inherently applied on the IAC generated, on the Terraform that is generated. These are the bunch of policies. When you come to the playground, you can look at all the policies that get applied. And now we'll export. Once you export, we can look at this, right? So the zip file gets downloaded and it gets exported into a bunch of Terraform files. So there is a variables.tf, a bunch of modules over here. You can open it in an editor, look at it, and play around with it, right? Thank you so much. We hope that you enjoy the AppCD Playground. If you want to use AppCD on your own code, sign up with the Dev Edition. And if you have any questions, comments, or feedback, let us know at support@appcd.com. Thank you.